First mnemonic is SSD, suprascapular nerve, subclavius nerve, and dorsal scapular nerve. So first two are the branches of upper trunk branches, and the third one is branch from C5 root branch. Okay, so the mnemonic is SSD, SSD. The next one is for branches from lateral cord branches. The mnemonic is Mohanlal. M indicates musculocutaneous nerve, L indicates lateral pectoral nerve, and the other L indicates lateral branch of median nerve. Okay, so the next cord is posterior cord branches. Okay, mnemonic is ultra. U and L indicates upper and lower subscapular nerve. T indicate thoracodorsal nerve. R indicate radial nerve, and A indicate axillary nerve. So this is the mnemonic for posterior cord branches. Okay, the terminal branches from the posterior cord is ultra, and the lateral cord branches is Mohanlal. So the last one is medial cord branches. The mnemonic is unity make more memories. Okay, unity makes more memories. A unity indicates ulnar nerve, make medial pectoral nerve, medial branch of median nerve, and the last one is medial cutaneous nerve for arm and forearm. Okay, so these were the mnemonics, and to memorize the branches. Last one is to know the composition of the brachial plexus. Composition. Mnemonic is Ramu Taylor. Drink cold tea. Root will join to form trunk, and trunk will divide into anterior posterior division, and division will form cord, and from cord we will have terminal branches.